Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. I love me some luxury. And if you like any of those things, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, luxury, then please hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell. So the next time I upload a new video, you'll be automatically notified. We're gonna hurry up and get through with this video. Hopefully it's not going to be too long. It is a Chanel double, did you hear me, double unboxing. You've seen this bag before. Yes, about a month ago I unboxed my first classic handbag about a month ago. At the same time, I had purchased two other items, but I had to give that bag its own dedicated video. Hello. So, in today's video, I am finally sharing with you my Chanel double unboxing. 1, 2, just like this, just like that, just like that. All right, so we are unboxing this Chanel. Here is the box from the other video, so make sure you go back and watch it. You want a peek? You want me to show you a little peek? No. First thing, you know, the beautiful camellia, the beautiful Chanel ribbon. Oh, okay. They were doing some different stuff. They actually threaded it through. And here is our ribbon. And then here is our Chanel box. Inside is this smooth, very smooth, soft case that says Chanel. Chanel. Right there. Wow. Double C's. The N is for number, and then the number 5. This is the first item that I am unboxing of Chanel. I believe this is the 22S collection. Don't quote me. Let's get into the second box. The beautiful Chanel Camille, the beautiful ribbon, the beautiful Chanel box, the soft velvety. I have a care booklet in this one. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Hold on. Hold the horses. Girl. Gorgeous. Double C's in silver tone, not gold tone. Right up under the clasp for the earring, there's a Chanel stamp right there. Now, if you don't know, I have some like this with the black leather woven in between the S, the C. Hello, it's a C. And the first day I wore them, one fell out. But let's get back to this. Look at that. That is gorgeous. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's gonna dangle. It's gonna, because I like to dangle. I like me some dangly. But oh my gosh. That is my double Chanel unboxing. The first ones that I showed you are $625. They are metal straw with the N for number and then the number 5. So that's the first ones with the straws of the double C's at the top of the earring. Those were $625. I don't think that's not really that bad. Then the second pair, the really cute pair. Yes. The ones that I need to wear right away. They're called earrings metal. Those are priced at $925. That is it for my double Chanel unboxing. Tell me what you think about the earrings. I know I need to try them on. Check out my Chanel necklace. There's probably an unboxing of that on this channel too, if you want to go check it out. I love these. Now here is the earring. That's the number 5. And then that is the N for number. Now these are really cute. They're cute casual. Love anything with straws. Now, oh, these are really lightweight. Perfect for every day. So that is it for the double Chanel unboxing, sharing with you my Chanel earrings from the 22S collection. I'll also list the prices on the screen and then in the description box for you with the style numbers. So if you want the style number, go look in my description box, okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more Chanel unboxings. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you. Yes, you. Yeah, you. You over there. I'm watching. Hit that subscribe button. And thank you again for watching this double Chanel unboxing of my 22S and 22A earrings from Chanel. I hope you watch the next video, which will be on Thursday. Stay tuned for those videos. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci. Bye-bye.